Steve here, an operational strategist from Advanced Global MSP Coaching, a team of Autotask experts. I'm in our demo database looking at our recommended basic tech dashboard, and I want to show you a feature that's been out for a little bit, but I don't remember talking about it before, and that's this board view. Currently, we're in grid view, and I want to go to board view. And somebody's going to say, Steve, where did you go? So underneath any of these widgets, you have this show all. This is our ready to engage widget. This is a work list for the text. So I just clicked show all, and you see I'm in grid view here, and I want to go to board view. Now I haven't figured out how to set my favorite board view. You have these different views. Status and primary resource is my preferred board, but you can customize them, and I'll show you in a minute how to customize them. But go to status, and the first thing you'll notice is my on deck here at the bottom changed, and that's because this is the triage queue, or these are all new tickets. So it gives, when I'm working as a technician, this is Technician 3's dashboard. I can also watch the triage queue, and as new tickets come in, I can just roll over this, and somewhere in here is accept ticket right there. So I can accept it, and when I accept it, it's going to put it right up in my board, I believe. I didn't see it pop up in there, but it'll pop up in a minute because we have some workflow rules in the background. I am looking at this by status. That way, client note added shows up here on my right. Ones that I need to work on next are kind of in the middle there. And then the ones I'm working on now are right here. And as I mentioned, this is fairly customizable. I can change the filter here, but it's not as sticky. I mentioned that we have these different boards. So now I'm going to go into settings. And when you go into settings, it takes you into the admin, and it takes you to boards right here. So we're in the admin features and settings, Surface Desk, and boards. That's where that gear takes you in here. And so you can see these are some boards that we've designed. This is my favorite one there. We can click new, and we could call this one YouTube special. Card layout standard is what I've been using, but there also is an AGMSP standard layout. I'll show you in a minute where to do that. Do not display columns. I like columns, and I like columns. I wish I could display them on next SLA event due date. That's not in here. I could display them on SLA. What I was displaying on before was status, only display if needed. Column totals. I like column totals. I like estimated hours. Let me know, and show column counts, card counts in columns. So show me that information. Rows, do not display rows. That's fine. Values. And then this is the on deck section. And this is where, first of all, I could name it. Display. Okay, let's turn it on. And then let's call it triage, and then set the status. You could have anything in here. You could have VIPs, you could have due dates, you could have scheduled, you could have project work. There's a lot of different ways to use this. They tell me that this works. There it is. Excellent. Thank you. Equal to new. Okay, and so that kind of sets that up. I'm going to hit save and close, and now this is at YouTube special. I wish I knew of a way to make it my default. I don't know a way to make my default. And then for cards, we have the standard card here, and then the AGMSC special. I didn't create this. Somebody else, at least I don't remember creating it. Somebody else did. This is right now is set as the default, as you can see by that check mark and that kind of stuff. So now when we're in here, I can go and I thought I activated it, but naturally I probably have to refresh. And I still don't see the YouTube one. So I must have missed a checkbox somewhere over in here on boards. I see it here. It's active. Maybe I have to go back out and reload it. Who knows? You know, it's like playing Dungeons and Dragons. You just click on stuff until it shows up the way you want it to be. There it is. And so now you can see my deck is called Triage, and I don't have rows, I just have tickets. Estimated hours is total 2 hours. So there you go. And play around with it. There's probably a lot more it knows how to do, but that's about all I know. So other than that, have an awesome day. If you need any more information, just email us at info@agmspcoaching.com. That email address again is info@agmspcoaching.com. One more thing, you can bump this out. So I can have this here as my new workload list, and then I can back here, I can go to my dashboard, so I can keep an eye on my dashboard, and yet here is my ready to engage board, and I can put this up on another screen and just keep right on working. Kind of nifty, isn't it? Anyway, have an awesome day. Email us at info@agmspcoaching.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.